Everyone, this is Tim from USX Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Google account from your Android phone. So what you want to do is go to the top right, swipe on down, go to settings. Now look for something with accounts in it. So on Samsung it's called accounts and backup. On my Google Pixel it's just called passwords, passkeys, and accounts. So it will say accounts somewhere in it. Right here it says account. So let's go to it. Go to your Google account and then go to where it says remove account right here. And you should be able to remove it. Now you can go to add account down here at the bottom and then you can choose your Google account. And then you can sign in with a different Gmail or Google account, whatever you use. Add your email or your phone number and then you can sign back in. Now when you go to Google applications like YouTube or Gmail, you will be signed in with that Google account. And I believe all your contacts should update to that account as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.